dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back from Voice. We will start second lesson for video lesson. Let us continue our normal lessons. Today our lesson is about random experiments and their outcomes, but we will review some questions about the previous lesson. Okay, look here, we have one question. In this question it was said that what is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? How many cards, how many selections of 4 cards we can select from 52 playing cards? Then it is followed by another question, is in how many of these arrangements we have 4 cards that are of the same suit. 4 cards belong to 4 different suits. Face cards, it means picture cards. 2 red cards and 2 black cards. Also we are asked to find the number of ways that we can get 4 cards of the same color. Let us do number Roman 1, Roman 2 and Roman 3, then you will do the other questions. Okay. First, look here. We have how n is given as 52 playing cards. We are supposed to select 4 cards each. 4 cards each. It means that the order does not make sense. Therefore, we will use combination. It is 52 combination 4. Look here, there will be as many ways of choosing 4 cards from 52 cards, and there are combinations of 52 different things taken 4 at a time. Therefore, we will apply the formula for combinations. 52 combination 4, the formula for combination, it was n factorial divided by n minus r factorial times r factorial. In this case, n is 52 and r is 4. Therefore, if we apply this one, n is 52 factorial, n minus 4 is 48 factorial times r factorial. You can apply the formula for factorial notations. It is starting from 52, then 51, then it goes back 50, 49, then 48 cancels out 48 factorial. For this 4 factorial, we can proceed as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. If you multiply these 4 numbers and divide by the other 4 numbers, this is the number of combinations of 4 cards from 52 playing cards. That is question 1. Let us do question 2. Okay, the question 2 it states that how many ways we can get 4 cards of the same suit, As we can remember, this is Roman 1. This is Roman 1, sorry. This one is Roman 1. As we can remember, the playing cards, it consists of 52 playing cards. Therefore, these 52 cards, we can divide 4 different suits. Hearts, diamond, clubs, and spades. Every suit, it consists of 13 cards. There are 13 heart cards, 13 diamond cards, 13 clubs, and 13 spades. Therefore, we want to have 4 cards of the same suit. It means that we can have 4 heart cards or 4 diamond cards, or we can get 4 clubs cards, or we can have 4 cards from the spades. Therefore, we will, or it means addition in probability. In how many ways we can select 4 cards from 13 cards of heart, 13 combination 4, or this is the number of ways that we can select 4 cards from diamond cards, or this is the number of ways that we can select 4 cards from clubs, and this is also the number of ways that we can select 4 cards from spades. Therefore, if you can find this one, you can calculate this one, then you can multiply 4, because we have addition. It means that 1 plus 1 plus 1, it means 4 times 1 operation. Therefore, you can proceed by taking 13 combination 4 as this one, then multiply it by 4. This 4 comes from, we have 4 same calculations. Therefore, we multiply this one by 4. This is the number of ways that we can get 4 cards of the same suit. Therefore, those 4 cards can be 4 hearts, or 4 diamond cards, or 4 clubs, or they can be 4 spades. That is question 2. Let us proceed to question 3. In here we are required to have 4 cards of different suits. It means that one card can be from hearts, the other card can be diamond, other card hearts and diamond card. Therefore 4 different. The previous one, it was 4 same suits and 4 cards of the same suit. But in this case we are required to find the number of ways that we can get 4 different cards. It means that every suit we should get one from hearts, one from diamond, one from clubs, and one from spades. Therefore, it will be 1 card from diamond, and 1 card from hearts, and 1 card from clubs, 1 card from, and it means multiplication. We will multiply in this case. This case we will use multiplication. Look, we have 1 card from hearts. And this is the number of ways that we can get 1 card from diamond. This is the number of ways that we can get 1 card from clubs. And this is the number of ways that we can get 1 card from spades. Therefore, this is 13 combination 1, which is, as we did it earlier, n combination 1 it is n. 9 combination 1 is 9. 14 combination 1 is 14. Therefore, 13 combination 1 it goes to 13 times. That is the number of ways that we can select 1 card from hearts. There are 13 possible ways. 13. This is the number of ways that we can select 1 card from diamond cards. Times 13. This is the number of ways that we can select 1 card from clubs. Times 13. This is the number of ways that we can select the other card from spades. This is 13 power 4. That's 13 power 4. Therefore, we will leave that one and you will proceed the other questions from your book, from 4 book. You can, this is the answer. Then you can continue that one. Roman 3 and Roman 4. Let us start our lesson today. Okay. This is the new lesson, random experiments. What are the random experiments and their outcomes? How can we find the outcomes of random experiments? This is about the material that we did it in Form 3. Random experiment is an experiment or activity which produce some well-defined result. It means that if you are tossing a coin and counting the number of heads and number of tails that you will get, that is an experiment. If the experiment is repeated under identical condition, it doesn't necessarily to produce the same result. It means that if you toss a coin 10 times, it is not necessarily to get heads or tails, the same thing. Okay, here we have one example. We are supposed to give the outcomes for each of the following experiments. If we toss a coin once, what are the outcomes from tossing a coin at once? It is obvious that is head or tail. That's the outcomes of tossing a coin once. Number B, tossing a pair of coins. If we toss 2 coins together, what will be the outcomes? Rolling a die. We are supposed to list the outcomes of rolling a die. Number D, we are supposed to list the outcomes of rolling a pair of dice. Rolling a pair of dice. Okay, we will proceed. Number 1, here we will do the answer, solutions. Sorry. Okay, solutions. Number 1A, we are asked to list the outcomes from tossing a coin. We have head or tail. That is the outcomes of tossing a coin at once. B, if we toss 2 coins together, the The outcomes are head, they can be head. The first one head, the second tail. First one tail, the second head. Or both we have tail. That is the outcomes from crossing two coins together. B, C. We are asked to list the outcomes of rolling a dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the sides of a die. Number D, if we roll two dice together, what are the possible outcomes? We can use a table, two-way table, or we can list it. Let us use two-way table. Okay, that is die 1. That's die 1, and this way we will write die 2. The outcomes of die 1 can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. The outcomes of die 2, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let us continue. How many possible outcomes? There will be 6 times 6. We have 36 possible outcomes, and you will proceed like this. If we get one from the first die, we can get one from the second die. Okay, one from the first die, 2 from the second die. 1 from the first die, 3 from the second die. 1 from the first, 4 from the second. 1 from the first, 5 from the second. 1 from the first, 6 from the second. These are 6 possible ways you can proceed this one. Then you will get 36 possible outcomes. Therefore, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We'll stop here.